So today we would be looking about the application named Thunderpod, which is a walk and run application. Well, talking about the walk and run application, I feel Thunderpod is a really good app, and it has various other features through which you can earn few coins and redeem those for products. The only possible way to redeem products in this is through auction, and the other method includes through discounts. Well, if you would like to go through auction, it would take you around 3 to 4 years to redeem a product at the current period. So let's look how the app is. Well, at the end of the video, I will show few products that I have claimed from Thunderpod, and it's a really legit app. Well, I like its customer service very much because they actually care about the customers. Therefore, looking at the shop section, you can see that there are various offers and discounts that are there, as well as you can find the free tab in this where you can avail free products. Let's look on to challenge section. Well, talking about the challenge section, you can find that there are various challenges through which you can earn coins. A few of them namely meditation challenges, walking challenges. A few more challenges are available. Let's see. Well, the other challenges includes brain games and workouts through which you can collect few coins. Well, talking about the league section, you could find that in the league, if you upgrade, you would get few coins. Like for the first to upgrade, it is 250 coins, second to upgrade is 200, and the third is 150. Well, the only other way you could earn in this is through collecting refers. The more your refers are, you could collect more coins. Each refer would give you 500 coins extra. So let's look at some of the rewards that I have claimed. Well, you could see I had redeemed from this app Paytm for 100 rupees, and after that I redeemed a Flipkart voucher of rupees 100. Let me show you that. So you could see I had even ordered a Flipkart gift coupon, and I definitely received it, and there are really cool products in this which come in auction. Well, it would definitely take it worth the time, and it would take around 3 to 4 years to get a really good product. Most of the products available in this are electronics which won't disappoint you. Therefore, if you are giving a try, you could go for it. Well, for more walk and run videos, please like, share and subscribe, and click the bell icon for more notifications. See you in the next video.